Becoming rich is not just about luck or having a high-paying job. It's about developing the right habits consistently over time. Wealthy people think differently, act differently, and most importantly, they follow disciplined routines that help them grow financially. Here are 5 powerful habits that can truly change your life and put you on the path to wealth. Number 1. They focus on long-term goals, not short-term pleasure. One of the biggest differences between rich people and average people is their mindset. Wealthy individuals always think long-term. Instead of spending money on temporary happiness like expensive gadgets or unnecessary luxury, they invest in assets that grow over time. For example, instead of buying a costly phone every year, they might invest that money in stocks, business, or skills. This habit of delayed gratification helps them build massive wealth in the future. Key lesson: if you want to become rich, start thinking about where you want to be in 5 to 10 years, instead of focusing only on today. Number 2. They invest money, not just save it. Saving money is good, but investing money is what actually makes you rich. Rich people understand that money sitting in a bank account loses value due to inflation. That's why they invest in assets like stocks, real estate, or businesses. They make their money work for them instead of working only for money. Even small investments, when done consistently, can grow into huge amounts due to compounding. Key lesson: start investing early, even if it's a small amount. Consistency is more important than the amount. Number 3. They continuously learn and upgrade. Skills: wealthy people never stop learning. They read books, watch educational content, and invest in self-improvement. They understand that knowledge is power, and skills can generate income. In today's digital world, learning skills like digital marketing, content creation, or AI tools can help you earn money online. The more valuable skills you have, the more money you can make. Key lesson: spend at least 30 to 60 minutes daily learning something new that can increase your income potential. Number 4. They build multiple income streams. Rich people don't depend on a single source of income. They create multiple income streams like salary or business income, side hustle, YouTube, blogging, freelancing, investments, stocks, crypto, real estate, passive income, ads, affiliate marketing, digital products. This habit protects them financially and increases their overall earnings. If one source stops, others continue to generate money. Key lesson: don't rely on one income. Start building at least 2 to 3 sources of income gradually. Number 5. They take calculated risks. Risk is a part of success. Rich people are not afraid to take risks, but they take calculated risks. They analyze the situation, learn about it, and then take action. For example, starting a business, investing in stocks, or creating online content all involve risk, but without risk, there is no growth. Average people avoid risks due to fear, while rich people face it with preparation and strategy. Key lesson: take smart risks. Don't let fear stop you from opportunities that can change your life.